So if you're looking to have your web browser read anything on the screen, then I'm going to recommend downloading Microsoft Edge. You can see that Edge is available on several different platforms. What you can do once Edge is installed is have your browser read anything on the screen. So let me show you an example. Here I am on the Apple website. If I want to read something on the screen, I just have to go all the way to the right-hand side and scroll down to where it says Read Aloud.
Shop early for the best selection of holiday favorites.
So you'll notice that by doing that, it starts at the top and it will read the text on the screen in a pretty natural sounding voice. But what I like about this is I can read anything on the page. If I want to read something at the bottom here, I don't have to wait for the reader to make it all the way down there. So here's what you do. You just press the play button, and as it's playing, just click wherever you want it to read next. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom where this small print is.
Favorites. Shop now. The app offer valid on qualifying purchases of eligible Apple products from November 26, 2021 to...
So you can see that when I scroll to the bottom, I click in a spot, it will automatically read that text to me, which is a really helpful feature. Now, if you would like, there are options that you can go in and play around with the speed of the speaking as well as the voice, but this is a fantastic option if you're just looking for a quick way to be able to read the text on the page. Once you're done, you click the X and it goes away. So again, if you download the Microsoft Edge browser on a Mac or a PC, if you click on these three dots, you can select this option that will read the text aloud on your page.
Nuzula is committed to helping school leaders be thoughtful about the materials used for instruction and identifying and complementing the gaps in their existing core curriculum.
So hopefully this has been a helpful tip for you. If you find these videos to be helpful, we would love it if you could subscribe to this channel.